Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's your girl Deewils. I am going to show you how to do this beautiful flowers. These are paper flowers. So you can see they are made out of paper. I ordered this from Amazon, and this is how it comes in the pack. It's a pack of 3. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's pretty easy. It comes with these glue dots, but I'm not going to use the glue dots. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use mine. I have a different glue dot that works better for me. So you're going to take this out just like that. This comes in a different shapes. All depends on what kind of flower you want, but the method are the same. You have these and then you have this. So it comes with a guide. If you like, you can use this, but I'm not going to use this. Okay, let's get started. It comes with this. You're going to take one and roll this like that. You have that. Then you see this, you burn it over that way. So you take your glue, this is what you're going to do with almost all of them. Just not almost all of them, sorry. The same method. Roll. Roll. Take your glue. Just like that. I'm going to finish up. Alright guys, so this is the glue dots. I'm just attaching the glue dot to the plate, so I can be able to attach. But just take this off. The glue dot is basically double-sided glue. So that's how we call it. Just taking the second part off. Just like that. You can choose to do it now. Put this on. Just follow the pattern. I'm going to put some glue over here. Spread out just to make it stick here. I'm going to do the same thing to this one too. And spread out. Perfect. We're doing the same with this. You can also use a glue gun. Here we go, our last batch. This is the last part. I like to put some glue here. First of all, I'm going to fold this to this way. And I put the glue on this side to make it easy for me. You don't have to if you are comfortable, but I like to do this. It's just easy for me. What we're going to do is keep rolling. Don't do it too tight. You roll towards you like that. I'm just taking a glue so I can keep the last part like that. So once you have it all put together, just open it. Look for a glue. I like to put one glue in the middle. You open it and then you stick it in.